In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best impact wrenches available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the impact wrenches list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the impact wrenches mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, JAUHI 12V Cordless Rechargeable Impact Wrench Dash. This compact and versatile 3/8-inch right-angle impact wrench is designed for convenient and efficient use in tight spaces. It is powered by a 12V rechargeable battery, making it portable and perfect for quick automotive or mechanical tasks. The ergonomic design allows for easy handling, while the cordless feature adds to the overall flexibility. Suitable for small repairs, the JAUHI impact wrench ensures smooth operation with sufficient power to tackle bolts, nuts, and screws. This tool is ideal for light to medium-duty jobs where mobility is a priority. Number 4, TKCB 520N.M Brushless Electric Impact Wrench Dash. This 1/2-inch impact wrench boasts a powerful brushless motor and 520N.M torque, making it perfect for automotive repairs and construction tasks. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, it is compatible with Makita systems, providing versatility for professional use. The brushless design ensures longevity and efficient performance, while the ergonomic grip offers comfortable handling during extended use. Whether it's removing tires or tackling heavy-duty bolts, this impact wrench provides reliable power in a compact, portable design. Number 3, Milwaukee Brushless Cordless Electric Wrench Dash. The Milwaukee Brushless Cordless Electric Wrench is an 18V impact driver designed for automotive and truck repairs. This powerful 1/2-inch wrench delivers excellent performance with long-lasting battery life. The tool is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, offering convenience and mobility. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue, while the brushless motor ensures more efficient operation and extended tool life. Milwaukee's reputation for durability and performance makes this a go-to tool for tough jobs like tire changing, engine work, or heavy equipment repairs. Number 2, ONEVAN 1800N.M Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench Dash. This high-torque impact wrench from ONEVAN features a massive 1800N.M of torque, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks such as automotive and construction work. The brushless motor offers superior performance, while the cordless feature provides ease of movement. It is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, making it a convenient addition to your power tool set. The 1/2-inch wrench is perfect for loosening or tightening large bolts and nuts, and its robust build ensures durability and reliability in demanding conditions. Number 1, 1800N.M Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench Dash. This powerful 1800N.M Torque Brushless Electric Impact Wrench is designed for demanding tasks in automotive repair and industrial use. It runs on an 18V lithium-ion battery, offering freedom of movement without the hassle of cords. Its compatibility with Makita batteries makes it versatile for professionals with existing Makita tools. The 1/2-inch wrench delivers massive torque, making it ideal for heavy-duty jobs like changing tires, removing stubborn bolts, or assembling large structures. The brushless motor ensures longer tool life and more efficient performance, perfect for consistent heavy use.